In today's video, I am going to teach you how to adjust navigation spacing on Squarespace. First, log into your Squarespace account and open your website editor. Once you are inside the editor, make sure you are on the site where you want to update the navigation spacing. This is important because any style changes you make will affect the design and overall look of that specific site. Next, go to the top left corner of your website preview and click Edit. This will place the site into editing mode so you can access the design controls. If you are new to Squarespace, this is the area where you can make visual changes to your site without needing to write any code. After that, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Site Styles icon. This is the paintbrush style layout icon. When you click it, a styling panel will open on the right side of the editor. This panel contains many of the visual settings for your site, including typography, colors, spacing, and other layout options. In the Site Styles menu, click Miscellaneous. This section often includes smaller design controls that do not always fit under the main style categories. Depending on your template or Squarespace version, the spacing settings may appear a little differently, so take a moment to look through the available options carefully. Now look for Layout or Element Spacing. These are the settings that usually control the amount of space between navigation items and other visual elements. Once you find the correct spacing control, begin adjusting it to match your preferred look. You can make small changes and watch the preview update so you can see how the navigation responds in real time. As you adjust the spacing, aim for a balance between style and readability. If the links are too close together, the navigation can feel cramped. If they are too far apart, the menu may look disconnected. Small adjustments usually work best, especially if you want the navigation to stay clean and professional across different screen sizes. When you are happy with the spacing, go back to the top left corner of the main editor screen and click Save. This will apply your changes and keep the new navigation spacing in place on your Squarespace site. That covers everything you need to know.